What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Google Docs page and share it to other people. So firstly what you want to do is to go to Google Docs website, and there you're going to log in with your Gmail account. After you did that, you're going to be like me in this homepage. Now what you want to do to create a document is either you're going to use these presets that Google Docs offer you, or you're going with a blank document like me. Now, as you can see, we have a blank page that we can use however we want. We can edit it, we can write here or do what we need with it. And then if you want to share it, what you want to do firstly is to give it a name. So you're going to top left corner and we're going to click on so we can rename it. We're going to name it name. Like so, as you can see now it's saved. And then what you want to do is to go to right top corner and you're going to click on this share button. Now what you want to do after you did that is to add the people that you want to share it to. I'm going to add one of my addresses. The next step that you want to do is to decide what permission you give to your share people. So to do that, you're going to click on this, and as you can see here, you have three options. You can give them only viewer, which means that they can only view the file, or you can give them commenter, which means that they can leave comment to your file, or editor, which means that they can edit your file. I'm going with editor for this tutorial, and the last step that you have to do is to click on send. And as simple as this, we just invited a new people to our Google Docs. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.